Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar to find a specific article that you're looking for. So today I've been reading this article, Understanding Conspiracy Theories, which is a meta review of the literature. Meta reviews are really useful, especially when you're just starting a topic or starting your literature review, because they're a systematic analysis of literature and research on the topic in the area. So these are a really good place to start and help you figure out what other people have said about the topic that you're studying. They're also, of course, another really good place to find more articles on the topic. So what you can do is if you're reading and you find something rather interesting, you can then go to their bibliography, which we're going to do here. And I found this paper by Jolly, Douglas, and Sutton that speaks to a particular thing I'm interested in. So it's called Blaming a Few Bad Apples to Save a Threatened Barrel, the System Justifying Function of Conspiracy Theories. We're going to remember that and go to Google Scholar. Now, there are several ways to get to Google Scholar. You can either go directly to it by typing the URL in your address bar. You can search for it via Google or whatever your preferred search engine is. Or you can go to the Maxwell Library homepage. Click on Find Articles Databases, and go here and then just click Google Scholar, type in your search terms here. Now we're going to go back to Google Scholar, but just a note, you can search for a specific title, you could search for an author, or you could search just for specific keywords. For example, immigration and public policy, economics and public policy, tax policy, and political science. Basically anything you're studying, you can type that in here and it will help you find articles on it. So here we go, we are at Google Scholar. I've typed in the title and we're going to search. And here our article is. So a few quick points of note. One, typically over here is you see PDF and a URL. That is a PDF version of the file. Be careful. It could be an earlier edition that the authors have uploaded. It could be a PDF from the journal that someone else has uploaded. But do know that exists. You can also go to find it at BSU Max to find it if our library has access to it. But before we do that, let's look at these points right here. This will give you citation tools. Clicking this will link you to other articles that have cited this article. So if you are at the beginning of your literature review, this is a very good way to find extra sources. Same with related articles here. Related articles are, of course, articles that share similar keywords that the algorithm has picked up. And all 7 versions, sometimes if you can't find it either at BSU or via PDF, it can be useful to click on this. It will typically show you earlier editions or prints. But all right, let's click on the title and see if we can access it through Political Psychology's webpage. Okay, here we are at Political Psychology's webpage. We click on PDF. And it's showing that we have to get access to the full version of this article by signing in, etc. So how do we get the article? Well, let's go back to Google Scholar. Now that we're back at Google Scholar, we're going to go back to the Find at BSU Max. That will bring us to Bridgewater State University's full text finder. We click on the folder. And that brings us to publication details. So we're going to want to search within this publication. Type the name of the article in here and search. There it is. And we can get either the full text in either HTML or PDF as it appears in the magazine. Look there. And there it goes. It's ready to download, save. Or you can also go to Zotero and save it there so you can have it in your citation manager. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has helped you figure out how to find articles for research.